Now we will start with the updating part. Okay, so till now we have completed the design and these things. So now we will start with the updating. So guys, let's get back to the code. And you can, as we have created the things like form tag, and we will create a method also is equal to post, right? And below this, as you know, Laravel requires a token, so crf, we can create csrf field function, and you have to call a URL for updating the data. So URL where I am going to call update my profile update. That's it. So once you click on it, my profile update will take this using post method. Let's go to route and let's create a route post method where I'm going to call my profile update, comma, and then the controller which we created, front end user controller with a profile update function. So let's go to user controller and create a function named profile update, and then we will move on it. Okay, so guys, now first we are going to check authenticated user ID, right? So we'll get that. Let's import this class first, auth. Why it's taking time? Okay, it's imported now. You can see it's imported, and let's store this as ID, or you can tell user underscore ID. And now we have to call the $user is equal to user model colon find or fail. Okay, where I'm going to check this user ID. So now this user is there, right? You have to use that use where you can find inside app directly user. Okay, so you can import the class also directly. So let us import the class app slash users. So let me type it app backslash user. Save it. Save. Everything is set. And now once this user is there, we will call this user with the name called lname. So lname means database column field which we have created now. So guys, as we are continuing, right? See here, lname, address 1, address 2, city, state, pin code. So these fields will be taken over here, right? So guys, now we are going to $request of input of lname. Okay, so when you're requesting this from that, so you have to pass the request here, request $request. Okay, so guys, when you're importing this into this user of column lname, it will go to this user model and check whether it's available or not, these columns. So we have to check that once. So let's click on it. Let's scroll top. Okay, so there are only few fields. So let us import that as it is lname, address. So we have to copy and paste, right? lname. Okay, so same way you have to copy everything, address, 1, address 2, city, state, pin code, phone, alternate phone, underscore it is, okay, alternate phone, save, and last one image is there, you can call this image also. That's it, guys. So now let us close this one, and you can see the same thing you have to call for everything. Okay, L name, after that address 1, paste that address 2. So same way you have to call it here also. We are calling this one by one. Address 2, city, state, pin code, and phone. Last one is alternate underscore phone. You can update with the same input, city, state, pin code, phone. Make sure all these name attribute input field attributes are available into your profile blade file. So let us check. So first name is there, first name is not there, so you can tell f name. So copy this f name and let's go to controller and paste once again f name, and this will be the only name, okay, because as it is name, f name. And now the same we are going to place with this L name. So make sure you are not making any mistake. We don't require, we doesn't update any emails, or just leave it, don't give any name attribute for this. Name is equal to, you can tell this is address 1, so same name you have to call it, okay, address 1, same thing you are going to call, right? Name, address 2, name is equal to address 3, sorry, it's city, name is equal to state, oops, name is equal to state, अरे यार, city, state, name is equal to pin code, and phone. The finally name is equal to alternate underscore phone, and then the image one is there. So let's make that image, okay, let it be here, no problem. We'll just give this also, name is equal to image. So let's copy this and move towards it. Image also we have to include, so let's call that image also. So that image will be called in different manner because we have to move that file to some storage place. So for that we will first check with this one, okay, with the existing, and for the image we will continue it. So now we will call this image name and take this, paste over here. So it is file, right? Because file has this image attribute, has something else. So for this, guys, now what we have to do, to pass an image and all, so we have to just send a method also, that enc type, okay, enc type is equal to multipart form data. Save this, and now your files will be sent perfectly. Okay, so oops, I just forgot about that. I thought it's an input file. We are pasting in an image tag to view this, so it's a big. Okay, so let's mention over here, and now guys, what we have to do, we'll call the class also form control. Okay, and now we can just move on with it, image one. So it's a foolish work which we did now. So guys, now save this, copy this file tag is there, so this one will read it. Okay, so then only your image will be posted over here. So guys, now we have to check this as a has file or not in this. So simple method, Laravel provides has file function, which we can put in a if condition. If it has, it should execute. If it doesn't have, normally it should leave off. So guys, now we will create this dollar file one variable. I'll create dollar request, request request of which one, file, of what it is, image. So we'll call this image, and then I'll just give a file name for this. File name is equal to dollar file, dollar file of, we'll get the get client name, get client something original name. Okay, or else you can take the original name, and let's save this, and let's tell dollar file of move function we will use move move. So guys, now what we have to do, we will call that file, path. So we will call uploads folder, uploads / and profile / here the file name we will keep. Okay, so there is one problem, like when we are storing the file, that time we get that different name. Okay, so sometimes Ved or Om might repeat, so for that we have to solve in another way. You can store in like time wise or name wise also. So for that I'm using this extension type. Okay, so let's use this extension one and rename this file as extension, and we will call this as dollar file name is equal to time function. Then use and concatenate with this dollar extension. That's it. So once extension is concatenated extension, after that extension we are passing this here file name into this folder. Okay, so after this we will proceed with this step, dollar user of which the image table is equal to dollar file name, FILE NAME file name. That's it. Saved. So this is to check whether it's there or not. So now guys, what is the second reason in this image one? If I have already image updated, okay, and I want to remove the existing one. So for example, now inside this we have already image, right? This I want to remove it, delete that and update over here. So storing image is not good. So for that we have to use the solution for it. Okay, so simple step, we'll just call it with. Okay, so we don't have folder called uploads, we will create that new. Okay, so it is got a stuck folder called uploads, inside uploads we will find that what we are going to create, profile. Okay, so we will just check it over here only. So inside public we have uploads, so inside upload I will create called folder called profile. So inside this profile we will store the image. Okay, so now what we were telling, that existing image we have to remove. So first thing we will check the destination. We will type and is equal to single quote. Inside single quote we have to call the path. So we will call the path whatever we are storing it, / then check with that existing one. Okay, so we will send this request of, not here, we will call this one. If it is already there it will come inside, right? So we can call this username image if it is already existing in this, so you can utilize this. So simple if condition will put, and we will check with this like file : exist exist function. So you are using file, make sure you are using at the top, use file, and then you have to call that destination, $destination. So this destination you are calling that, and then you are calling the file again, : delete the destination part. That's it. So I have used it, but I don't know why. Let's import it. It's going to show so many things. Illuminate support for cats. Okay, so it's already there. Let me comment this and let's re-import the class. Okay, cool. So it's working. Okay, this is fine, and let's save this. And now after successfully saving this image also, we will call the update function. That's it. And then return and redirect back with the message, the status of status. I don't know why it's messing with this. Status profile updated. Okay guys, now we can see that everything is looking fine and perfect. So guys, let's start testing with this. So first step, we'll go back and reload the page. So once reloaded, okay, so you can see there is no phone number, right? And there is no image. This is something path. Okay, the original image is something else. So guys, now I'm going to update the phone number 888. Okay, and here also some unwanted numbers, 888. Okay, let me update this. So let's click on update. So I'm clicked on update. So let's see what's going to happen. So you can see guys, it's updated perfectly. So again I am going to reload this page. You can see it's updated. So you can tell Shivaji Nagar 5th Cross and Hennur Main Road. Let's update this. Let's see, it's going to update. Here guys, after reloading also it's updated perfectly. So we have completed that, how to set a profile and everything. So guys, now we didn't test the image also. So let us test the image and see it's in a perfect path. So guys, let us choose an image and we will check with it. So let me go to downloads. we will see with this logo one, simple logo. I'm going to click on it. So let me update it, and the logo.png updated, and the image is not available here, right? Because we didn't set the path. So as we have set uploads profile, you can go in your blade file and check you have set something as image. So let us set over here profile, and let me reload that, and you can see the image. I hope perfect. So image is seen now, and let us see in the view inside upload profile. You can see the image, guys, with the different time png name. Okay, extension 1. So guys, now perfectly set, and let me update the image and see this image is removed and updated other image, right? We want to check that also. So for that, let us choose again another image called we can move on with some other image. Okay, so we can see pictures, no pictures only. So, okay, let me keep this image only. I mean another image which we have just downloaded now. So let's copy and click on downloads, and let me paste it over here. So let's get back, uploads profile. So this is the currently now this situation is there. So let's choose again. Inside downloads, we are going to upload this again. Let's open this and update. Okay, updated, image is updated. I want to see that old image should be deleted. Perfect, guys. See, you can see that old image is deleted and this image is updated. Okay, so guys, successfully we have completed that, how to set this profile image for the users. Okay, so one task is completed. So same way you can copy and paste for the admin also. As admin, he want to add the admin profile also. You can just come back and add the admin profile too over here, right? Or else you can make the same conditions, same code for the admin profile also inside your admin dashboard. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, like and share.